In a dramatic development in the February 5th dynamite explosion at a coal mine in Thangsko, East Jaintia Hills, Shyam Babu Singha, 44 years of age, of Karimganj, Assam, earlier listed among the deceased, has been traced alive and recuperating from injuries, exposing a major identification lapse by the district administration. Shyam Babu had been reported dead after allegedly succumbing to injuries at Negrim's hospital on the 8th of February 2026. The body, believed to be his, was subsequently handed over to family members who identified it reportedly based on physical features and performed the last rites in Karimganj. However, on the 12th of February, fresh inputs confirmed that Shyam Babu was in fact alive. The East Jaintia Hills district authorities have since acknowledged that a body was mistakenly identified and released to the family. The kin are scheduled to meet the Deputy Commissioner on the 13th of February, seeking clarification over the grave mix-up. While officials maintain that Shyam Babu was referred to Negrims following the blast, no conclusive documentation has surfaced to substantiate the earlier death report. The identity of the cremated body now remains uncertain, deepening the confusion surrounding post-blast protocols. With this development, the confirmed death toll stands at 30, all of whom have been identified, barring one unclaimed body currently awaiting identification. Among the deceased are three local residents: Kumen Rambai, 25 years, whose post-mortem was conducted at Cleriat and body handed over on the 7th of February. Heimonmi Pasleng, 48 years of age, and Lajari Judge Sangma, 41 years of age, both of whom underwent post-mortem at Cleriat and were handed over to their families on the 6th of February. A situation report issued on February the 12th by the Deputy Commissioner and Chairman of the Disaster Management Authority to the State Disaster Management Authority Shillong stated that 5 injured persons are undergoing treatment at Negrims, 1 at Nazareth Hospital and 3 in Kachar, Assam. The startling revelation has triggered serious questions over victim identification procedures and administrative oversight in the aftermath of the fatal mining explosion.